response to me. This tastes
I just
like
got a chunk.
No. What's the chunk?
Oh, it's a strawberry.
Where?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Y'all, I'm so excited for today's video because I'm gonna be trying some of your favorite Starbucks drinks. Earlier this week, I asked you to give me some recommendations on your favorite thing to get at Starbucks. Some of these drinks look insane. So I picked some of the most common ones and some that look super, super interesting, and I'm really excited. I'm headed to Starbucks right now, but before I go, if you're new to this channel, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's go.
All right, we gotta make one quick pit stop before we head to Starbucks. I'm picking up my friend Maddie because taste tests are more fun with friends.
There she is! Maddie! How are you? Ladies and gentlemen, Maddie. Hi, how are y'all? We look like we could be related.
We really do. Every time I see you.
Maddie just told me that she's never had a pumpkin spice latte. What?
I've never had one.
But in your entire, how old are you?
21.
Yeah. In your entire 21 years of living, you've never had a pumpkin spice latte.
No! I don't want to do something just because everyone else is doing it.
I feel that. I feel that.
Like, I'll boycott stuff just because I'm like, no. Like, I'm not gonna give in.
But doesn't it ever make you wonder, like, if so many people are doing it, it must be good?
Okay, yes. You know what? For you, I might...
You have to!
I might cave in. I feel like I don't want to like give it to temptation. Like, this is kind of like the time to rise up and be like, yeah.
Today's the day.
Today's the day.
So when you go to Starbucks, what do you usually get? What's the go-to?
I'll get like a caramel latte with almond milk, or I'll do like their caramel crunch frappuccino with almond milk.
Extra crunchy.
Oh my gosh, the little, oh, what are those things? They're so good.
So good.
But that's what I'll do. What do you get?
It depends on my mood, but I'm typically just like iced almond milk latte.
Love it.
Simple, just because I don't want all the sugar. If I'm gonna have dessert, I'm gonna go get ice cream. I don't want it in my coffee drink. Unless it's like a holiday thing, like pumpkin spice, peppermint mocha, like the fun ones.
Those.
I'll do those every now and then.
Yeah.
I'm easy. Sometimes I'll just get a black coffee.
Oh, that's nice too.
But here's the thing, we might find a new favorite drink.
I might.
And that's what's exciting. We had some good suggestions, so
I'm really excited to hear some of these.
we have arrived.
Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Nick. What's yours?
Hi Nick, I'm Nicole. We kind of have the same name.
Oh, hey.
I love it. How's your day going?
It's going pretty good. How about yours?
It's good. I'm really excited.
Oh, yes. What can we get you today?
I have a big order. Is that okay?
I'm excited.
Okay. They're kind of complicated, so don't kill me. The first one is a strawberry acai refresher with green tea instead of water.
Anything else?
Oh yes, many more. Can I do the pink drink with vanilla cold foam? The Cinderella latte?
What's a Cinderella latte?
Let me tell you. So
Okay.
it's an iced pumpkin spice latte with 2
Okay.
pumps pumpkin and 2 pumps white chocolate mocha. What's your name? You don't sound like Nick.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I took it away from Nick because Nick on the bar. So when she started doing them drinks, he got to start making them.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
I'm Tori. But don't
Hi,
worry,
Tori.
he's going to make them with love, okay?
I love that, Tori. Thank
All right.
you.
He said mocha or white mocha?
White mocha.
Okay, so this, y'all like the white mocha. I like white chocolate too. I don't really like it. I'm going to be honest.
Let's do the regular mocha then.
No. White mocha better. We going to do white mocha.
Oh, okay, say
Coffee
less.
nut. Yeah, don't change it up. They might not like that.
Okay, then we're gonna do an iced chai latte with pumpkin sweet foam.
Yes, for that.
The person behind me is gonna kill me. I know, they're gonna be.
A Starbucks double shot over ice.
That's my favorite drink.
Oh my god!
I'm most excited about this
Wait,
one.
I got to ask a question. Are we doing it with classic or vanilla?
We're doing with creamer and caramel.
Oh, look at her. Okay. So,
A vanilla bean frappuccino with 2 scoops of dragon fruit.
oh, that's weird. Okay, so we're gonna do this probably
The last one is a vanilla bean frappuccino and add cinnamon dulce and caramel drizzle.
It kind of tastes like a churro.
That's what we want. That's what we want. Churro
Okay, so you
frappuccino.
put cinnamon
You got
with
it, Tori. That was amazing.
Beautiful.
Y'all took the breath out of me.
Largest, most expensive Starbucks order I've ever had. I hope the person behind me isn't gonna kill me.
Here's your receipt, ma'am.
Thank you.
Give us a minute.
Longest receipt ever. Here come the drinks.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna be on such a sugar high.
I'm so excited for this. This one looks so good. The pink one, I don't even know what that
with
is.
the foam on it.
What is it?
Whoever suggested pink drink with vanilla cold foam, I love you.
You're on to something.
I'm making a mental note of you. Look, we've created a line.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. People can wait.
Oh my gosh.
Look at how colorful.
All right, we got them all. Woo!
Oh, I got caramel on my thumb.
This is oh.
It's sticky.
Okay, we had a little bit of a malfunction. I made a turn and we knocked one of the drinks over.
Oh my gosh, this is
Oh
a
my
nightmare. I'm so
Oh.
sorry.
No, it's okay. This is hysterical. What is this one? No classic caramel syrup with cream
On your butt.
on my butt, and it smells really good.
All right, after all of our difficulties, we finally arrived. We're ready for the taste test. Which one am I gonna do first? Do we want to start fruity or coffee?
Let's do fruity.
Okay.
Let's do it. This is the I guess the strawberry acai refresher, 3 vanilla bean powder scoops, double blended. So
Okay.
this looks like heaven on earth. I'm not gonna lie. What does yours smell like?
Strawberries.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, pretty
Are
good.
you
It
ready?
looks like cotton candy.
We're doing 2 pink ones first.
Cheers.
Here we go. Oh, I like mine.
Oh my gosh, that's so
Is yours
good.
good?
It's so good.
Mine is like straight up strawberry lemonade.
This tastes like cotton candy, but when it grows up. That's what this is.
Oh, we're already off to such a good start.
We can't go downhill from
I
here.
love this.
This is amazing.
Switching straws.
Nice.
I want to try
There we
yours.
go. Beautiful. Lovely.
All right, ready?
Cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Oh,
You know what this tastes like?
cotton candy when it grows up.
It tastes like cough syrup.
I don't like this. I love it. I love her. She's beautiful.
You can have her.
Give me that whip.
Okay, here we go.
Whip. Hit me back. Like, comment below if you're the type of person that wants almond milk but wants the whipped cream too, because we need to be best friends and I need to know who you are.
Okay, wait.
Okay,
Okay, this is the
Oh.
vanilla bean cream frappuccino with 2 scoops of dragon fruit, and it's beautiful. Look how pretty
Wow.
this is. We'll drink it
This
fast. What
is
do you
the vanilla sweet cream cold foam.
have? This is the pink drink.
Is it really?
This is the pink drink with the vanilla sweet cream cold foam, and I'm very excited. I feel like that's gonna be the best one today.
Here we go. Oh. Hold on.
Mine is like a very subtle dragon fruit milkshake.
I'm not a fan.
I wouldn't order this.
I wouldn't order that. Literally, it's like warm foam down your throat.
Okay, we gotta switch.
And if you like it, I'm gonna be I think it could ruin our friendship. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm scared now because everyone says this is the best. I'm ready.
It may be, but not for me.
Hang on, I didn't get the cream.
Oh, I need to stop gagging if it's been.
I'm so sorry if you like these drinks because
Okay, I feel like Starbucks is never gonna sponsor me. This tastes
I just
like
got a chunk.
No. What's the chunk?
Oh, it's a strawberry. Where? I'm so concerned.
This tastes like grass. This is like a Beverly Hills lawn.
It's pink.
It's like it's like
I have high hopes for this. What is it?
this is a
Strawberry acai refresher, no water, add green tea.
I feel like this is gonna be really good. This is gonna be good.
So good.
Yep. See,
If you like green tea and you usually get like the iced green tea, this is just like a little zestier.
a little pep in your step.
We double date.
Oh.
It's like a light, summery drink.
Very good. Very fun.
We like that.
Love it.
So this is the Cinderella latte. It's a pumpkin spice latte with 2 pumps pumpkin sauce, 2 pumps white mocha.
Okay, so I have the basic vanilla bean frappuccino, but they add in the cinnamon dolce syrup and then extra caramel drizzle.
So this is the cinnamon bun. Frap.
Yep. Oh. Cheers. Let me get the little whip in there.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
I have entered fall.
This is it.
Fall has entered the chat. I
Okay,
really like this.
Me too. This literally tastes like a churro.
Does it?
Yeah, exactly like a churro. Okay, so she's saying strategy is like mix it around a little bit like this and then like sip on your way down so that you're still getting like the cinnamon and everything.
You ready?
Okay.
From the top. Here we go. That strategy's solid. I love this.
I like this better. This one's still really good though.
This is literally like a churro milkshake.
It's really nice. I like it a lot. So this is the one that spilled all over the car.
Okay, we had a little bit of a malfunction. We knocked one of the drinks over. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
So this is the grande double shot on ice, caramel syrup with cream.
Okay, I have the
grande chai tea latte, iced with pumpkin cream.
I think that's gonna be so good too. Oh. Okay, if coffee is your jam, this is a great drink. It's not sweet by any means, but I like that because I drink coffee anyway. I really like this.
This tastes like a candle, like a fall candle. I'm not gonna lie.
In a good way?
And I think you're gonna really like it. Like chai tea, this is like your type of drink. Yeah, this is a good one.
Candle was the perfect way to explain it. This is really great.
Yep, I actually agree.
Woo! 9 out of 10. It was really good.
Okay.
Yeah. One more.
And
our
then you
last
rate.
one. Almond milk latte with 1 pump toffee nut and 1 pump white mocha.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
It's supposed to taste like a snickerdoodle.
Oh my god, I'm excited.
Ooh. Oh. She said, ooh. I want to see what you think.
Oh no, that means you don't like it.
Thoughts?
I don't like it.
Short answer, I don't like it. It kind of tastes like a gingerbread man in a cup, but not in a good way.
Not in a good way. Like he's
Like-
been sitting out for a couple of days.
What is our least favorite? Mine for sure is that pink one that tastes like cough syrup.
This is my favorite.
I can't. I just need to know if you like this drink. Comment below. I think my most favorite
Uh-huh.
was either the churro one,
Okay.
or the Cinderella one.
I would have to say this one probably took the cake for me.
The churro one.
Yeah, the churro one.
It's so good.
It's-
Y'all hit me back and like let me know if you've tried this cinnamon bun frappuccino situation, because it's very, very good. Make it with my churro recipe that I just posted and you'll thank me later. Oh my gosh, this was so fun.
This was so much fun.
This was amazing.
I'm so glad we got to do this.
If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you're the first to see my videos when they drop. If you're new to the family, welcome to the best family ever. I'm so thankful for you, and we'll see you next week. Bye.